Okay, so I just got done harvesting potatoes. Yeah, that was interesting. Let's see, what do we now? Let's see, oh, look at the rainbow. They're moving the hose there. There is my mother-in-law cutting grass for the guinea pigs. There's the children fighting in the back, of course. So all this will soon be filled with stalks of corn. Maybe, I think it's like April. Here's more. These are different potatoes here. And these are, from what I understand, white onion. So yeah, this is one of our farmlands with the town down there. Pretty beautiful, huh?